At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for an e-commerce business involves several steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Choose a name. Select a name for your LLC. Make sure it's unique and available in your state. You can check the availability through your state Secretary of State website. 2. Registered agent. Appoint a registered agent. This is a person or company that receives legal documents and official government correspondence on behalf of your LLC. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file articles of organization with your state Secretary of State office. This document officially creates your LLC and includes information such as the LLC name, address, registered agent details, and sometimes the purpose of the business. 4. Operating agreement. Draft an operating agreement. Although not always legally required, this document outlines the ownership structure and operating procedures of your LLC. It's crucial for clarifying roles, responsibilities, and ownership percentages among members. 5. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This is essentially a social security number for your business and is necessary for tax purposes, hiring employees, and opening a business bank account. 6. Business licenses and permits. Determine what licenses and permits your e-commerce business requires. This varies depending on your location and the nature of your business. Check with your local government offices to ensure compliance. 7. Sales tax registration. If you plan to sell physical products, you may need to register for sales tax collection with your state's tax authority. This allows you to legally collect sales tax from customers and remit it to the appropriate government agency. 8. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances by opening a business bank account. This helps with accounting, taxes, and liability protection. 9. Compliance with e-commerce laws. Ensure compliance with e-commerce laws, including data protection and consumer rights regulations. This might involve drafting privacy policies, terms of service, and refund policies for your website. 10. Trademark and intellectual property protection. Consider trademarking your business name and logo to protect your brand identity. Also, ensure that you're not infringing on any existing trademarks. 11. Insurance. Consider obtaining appropriate insurance coverage for your e-commerce business, such as general liability insurance, product liability insurance, and cyber liability insurance. 12. Website compliance. Ensure your e-commerce website complies with relevant laws and regulations, including accessibility standards and online consumer protection laws. 13. Maintain compliance. Keep your LLC in good standing by filing annual reports, paying taxes, and adhering to any other ongoing requirements in your state. It's advisable to consult with a legal or financial professional to ensure compliance with all relevant laws and regulations specific to your business and location. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.